Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're drawing a basket full of yummy fruit. Grab your paper and your favorite pencil and let's get cozy and draw together. First, the basket. Start at the top on the left and draw a big curve going down, around the bottom and back up the other side, like a great big smile. Your turn. Draw your big basket. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now let's give our basket a nice top edge. Draw a long curvy line across the top and one more just under it. Then add short slanted lines in between. That makes a cozy band. Time for the fun part, the basket pattern. Draw lines going this way and lines going that way so they cross over each other and make lots of little diamonds, just like a real basket. Your turn. Draw the crisscross lines. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now the handle. Draw a big arch going up and over the basket, like a rainbow. Then add a few little lines inside so it matches the basket. Every pretty basket needs a bow. Draw a loop on the left, a loop on the right, and a little circle in the middle. Then 2 ribbons hanging down. So cute! Your turn. Draw the big bow. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now let's fill our basket with fruit. First, a strawberry. Draw a big rounded shape, a little wider at the top. Then add pointy leaves on top, like a tiny green crown. Next to it, a peach. Draw a big round shape and give it a soft curve down the middle. Then one small leaf on top. Yum! Your turn. Draw the strawberry and the peach. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now a slice of watermelon. Draw a shape like a triangle with a curvy bottom, then add a line along the bottom for the green part. Let's add grapes. Draw lots of little circles all bunched up together, getting smaller at the bottom, then 2 leaves on top. Look at all those grapes. Time for the tiny details. Add little seeds on the strawberry and a few dark seeds in the watermelon too. Little dots make everything look real. Wow, look what we made. A big basket, a pretty bow, and a strawberry, a peach, watermelon, and grapes. You're doing amazing! And now, our favorite part. Right in the middle of the bow, hide a tiny heart. Shh! It's our little secret. Coloring time. Let's color the basket a warm golden brown. Fill in the handle too. Color slowly and stay inside the lines. Now the bow, pick a pretty pink and fill in both loops and the ribbons. So sweet! Now the fruit. Color the strawberry a bright red and the peach a soft orange. They look so yummy already. Last, the rest. Color the watermelon pink, the grapes purple, and every leaf a happy green. Beautiful! Wow, look at that! Your fruit basket looks amazing. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video. Or send